So we got the cargo rack totally assembled on the back of the Sidekick, and as you can see, it seems to fit well. It's going to give us that added space to carry things, and we've got something big to carry on it, so we're going to see how that fits. But pretty impressed with the quality of this hitch, and like I mentioned before, I was surprised that it was a brand name Reese hitch, since when we ordered it was called a Rambler Pro. But looks good too on the back, and fits pretty sturdy. On the smaller hitch, it's not the larger hitch you might put on a pickup. In fact, some people might consider this a ATV cargo tray. I don't. So we'll try now and see what happens if we put the box on it. Looks to me like it's a good fit. We'll be able to strap that down. Might even be able to put a couple extra things on the side, but this will help us in our drive to Daytona Beach, because like I said, we didn't have much room inside the Sidekick. Got to put stuff somewhere. So that's the end of this project, all put together. Didn't take very long. Pretty good quality.